Omar here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint on an old laptop. And the first thing I did was I went on my Windows laptop and I started to download the Linux Mint operating system. And here I'm choosing a location to download it from, and you can see that's starting to download. And while I'm doing that, I am going to download Etcher, which allows you to burn that image onto a memory stick. And I'm downloading that here, and this is getting sped up super fast because this takes a fair amount of time. That's a pretty big file. So alright, so now that that's just about wrapping up, we go to Etcher, and it says, okay, you pick the file you want to use for Linux Mint, and then you pick the the memory stick you want to use, and then you say go, and that is installing the entire operating system on the memory stick. And this will go into my laptop, my old laptop, and that'll be what boots up Linux Mint. So this is wrapping up, this is sped up, and now we're going to go to my laptop and go from there. And now one more thing is you can see that this has worked because you can't see the memory stick anymore because it's in a format that Windows doesn't understand. So here I am on my old laptop, which is going to get Linux Mint, and I can't very easily get a screenshot of this through the computer because I'm putting the operating system on it. So I just did the best I could with my cell phone. So to do this on my laptop, I hit escape and then I hit F9, and then I went and said boot load from the memory stick from USB, and this is everything that it's going through. So I just clicked on install Linux Mint, and it asks you for your what language and where you live, and then if you want to use codecs, which is what you need if you want to watch YouTube videos, I believe. And this is all pretty straightforward. There's nothing too crazy about this. And I already had Linux Mint on here, so that's why it's asking me if you want to reinstall it or install another version of it. And once I hit continue, then this all gets sped up some more. It goes through and installs all the files it needs for the operating system on the laptop. And once that's done, then I reboot the computer. See, I have a change of wardrobe there. And okay, so now I can start recording directly from the computer again. And this is the very fresh application of Linux Mint. You can see it looks very similar to Windows. I think it looks better. I think there's a lot of benefits to using this. And that's about it. So I'm just going to wrap up this video.